Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool Honda. I'm going to be showing you around this red Honda Civic that we have in stock. This model is the 1 litre VTEC SR model. Then walking around the car, I'll show you the condition of all 4 alloys. These alloys are 17 inch. Get round to the rear of the car, we can show you its reversing camera. Just in the boot, plenty of room. We've got a parcel shelf here which pulls across, give you a bit more privacy in the boot. Also the seats fold 60-40 to give you a bit of extra room. Walking round to the driver's side of the car, I'll show you the 3rd alloy. Before I show you the last alloy, quickly show you the driver's seat. Stepping into the car, this car is a 6-speed manual. Got your economy mode. Got your auto stop start, got your brake holds as well as your electric parking brake. Quickly show you the entertainment system. Go to the menu, you've got your maps, also got your Bluetooth hands-free. Got all your media sources. Onto the steering wheel, you have your buttons on this side that control all your media. This button also controls your heads-up display. You got your Bluetooth hands-free. On this side you've got your speed limiter and your cruise control. Quickly show you the speedometer. This car's sitting on 4,915 miles. Down to your right you've got your parking assist, you've got your traction control, you've got your lane assist, as well as anti-collision. Stepping out of the vehicle, show you the last alloy. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. If you like any more